Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make your own meadow. Keep on watching! You will need colorful paint, markers, crayons, glue and scissors. So let's color some flowers. I'm going to start with painting. I will paint the flower that is called a lily. I'm using yellow in the middle and pink for the petals. So what flower it is? It's a lily. Good job everybody. Well done. Now I'm using markers to color the flower that is called an ox-eyed daisy. I'm going to use 3 colors. Look closely and try to tell me what color is it. It's yellow. Of course it's yellow. Good job. What color am I using right now? It's red. Well done. And the last color is? No, it's not red. It's orange. Fantastic everyone. Good job. So what flower it is? It's ox-eyed daisy. Well done. Okay, let's color now the flower that is called a pansy. Pansies are usually yellow, white or purple. So what color did I choose? Is it yellow? Is it white? Is it purple? Yes, it's purple. I chose purple. And I'm using crayons to color this one. Sometimes crayons break and you have to change them. Dark purple goes to the outer edge and light purple in the inner. The middle is going to be yellow and orange. So what colors did I use? Purple, yellow and orange. Now it's time to color a sunflower. I love sunflowers. They are brown in the middle and their petals are always yellow. So what color do we need? We need brown and yellow. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's time for a daffodil. Daffodils are orange in the middle and have yellow petals. So now I'm going to paint my flower, but the middle I'm going to color with a marker. Good job! Now it's time to color the stems. Flowers need them to stand upright in the grass. You can use crayons to color them, you can use markers, and you can use paints. But tell me, what colors are we going to use? Are we going to use yellow? Purple? No. Blue? No. We have to use the color green. Of course, we have to use green. Perfect. You will also find this special one, which is a flower and a stem in a pot. So you can decorate your pot however you like. It can be all the colors of the world. I'm using pink, blue, orange, and a little bit of yellow and red. Do you like it? I'm sure your flower pots are going to be very beautiful. So keep on painting. Okay, put your flowers and your stems aside to dry and find a big piece of paper. This is going to be our meadow. Take some yellow paint and color the big yellow sun. Now take a lot of green paint and color the green grass. This is going to be where our flowers are standing, and we need a lot of green grass. You can color everything else blue, like the blue sky, but I'm going to paint just 2 clouds, so here we go. 1 cloud and 2. Good job! Let's start cutting. Take your scissors and carefully cut every flower. Cut your white and yellow daisy, orange, red and yellow ox-eyed daisy. Cut your pink lily. Also cut your purple pansy, yellow and brown sunflower, and of course don't forget about your yellow and orange daffodil. Here it is, the symbol of Easter. Don't forget about the stems too. All the green stems have to be cut, and then we are going to be ready for the next step. Here we go. Next step is going to be putting your flowers onto your meadow. You have to look. Does it look nice? If yes, take some glue and glue everything down. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 green stems. Finished? Good job! Well done, everybody! And have a look! Here we go! This is our finished meadow. Do you like it? I hope you do. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye, butterflies!